Alright, in this video I'll show you how you can use a spray rust proofer to save the rocker panels in your Mazda. This is a Mazda 3 and you can see that I did not save my rocker panels, and I've got another video on the go and you can see there's a big hole. This is the passenger side. The driver's side one hasn't gotten to this extent, but when I was fixing this passenger side one, I noticed that there's a bunch of rubber grommets running along the bottom side of the rocker panel. So I could have easily prevented this from rusting like this. Anyway, new video coming on how to fix a rocker panel, but in the meantime, I'm going to preserve the driver's side rocker panel. So I'm just going to take a flathead screwdriver and I'm going to pop all these rubber grommets out on the underside of the rocker panel so that I could use the rust check spray up inside the rocker panels. And I was actually surprised to see the number of rubber grommets that are actually under this thing. Anyway, there's probably some other ones in and around the vehicle that I could probably spray into, but these are obviously the ones for the rocker panel. Now for this, I'm using Rust Check, but there's other products available like Crown or Fluid Film. I don't really think it matters. Had I done this over the last 10 years with any of those products, I'm sure it would have prevented some of the rust that I'm now dealing with, at least on the passenger side of this vehicle. And this can did both rocker panels, and there is definitely at least 50% of the fluid left in the can. So I would say you could do this once in the spring, after the winter, and then one more time just before the winter, and that would only require about one of these cans per year. And the can was about $15 in Canadian funds. And then once I've sprayed a sufficient amount of this rust proofing up inside the rocker panels, I just take those rubber grommets and they just very easily pop back into place. So if the rocker panels on your Mazda 3 are in slightly better condition than mine, you may be able to keep them that way just by taking 10 minutes a year and spraying some rust proofing up inside those rocker panels. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.